Good morning, students. How are you? I hope all of you are fine. Yesterday we were reading chapter number 10, Directions. Today we will continue the same chapter. But before starting the chapter, first we will recall the chapter. Okay? Are you ready, kids? Very good. What is a direction? How many direction? Okay. What is a direction? A direction is the way in which a person or thing can move. Okay. A direction is the way in which a person or thing can move. Up and down, left and right, front, behind. Okay, are some simple directions, but there are main four directions. Look here: east, west, north, and south. The sun rises in the east. I know all of you know. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Okay, have you seen the map? Any map? World India map, world map? So, no. Look here. Page number 43. Here are given India map. This is the picture of India map. In map, the topmost usually points the north. आप जब भी मैप देखेंगे उसमें सबसे ऊपर हमेशा नॉर्थ हमेशा अप में होता है और नॉर्थ के जस्ट अपोजिट साउथ होता है. अंडरस्टैंड? So, I hope all of you understand. And what are opposite directions? Directions facing each other are called opposite direction. Directions facing each other. Each other में जो एक दूसरे को फेस कर रहे हैं, they are called opposite direction. Like north opposite south, east opposite west. Understand? Okay. Now we will talk about the sub directions. Look at the blackboard. The halfway between north, suppose here are given north, here north and here south. The halfway between this is the halfway. Okay, the halfway between north and east are northeast subdirection. Northeast. Okay, like this. The halfway between east and south is southeast direction. Southeast subdirection. Okay, the same. The halfway is other. The halfway between west and south is southwest. Southwest. Okay, and the halfway between northwest is northeast. Okay, it is given in your book also. See, look here picture. Sub-directions. Understand? Okay, now we will read the chapter and all of you speak along with me. See the first para and put your index finger. A direction is the way in which a person or thing can move. Front and behind, above and below, up and down, and middle, top and bottom, over, under, left and right are some simple directions. Okay, see the next para. Main directions. Over large areas we use directions: east, west, north and south. The sun always rises in the east and sets in the west. We can find out the main direction in an easy way. Okay, yesterday I said to you, do one activity. Yesterday we were talking about an activity. You stand facing like this boy. Stand facing the rising sun early in the morning. Now your face is towards the east. Your back will be face the west. Now stretch your arm sideways on your left. This is my left hand. On your left is to the north and your right hand will be point to the south. Okay, see more to know. What are opposite direction? What is opposite direction? directions facing each other are called opposite directions. Okay, see subdirection. The direction halfway between the north and east is northeast direction. The direction between south and east is southeast direction. The direction halfway between north and west is northwest. The direction halfway between the south and west is southwest. Okay, I hope all of you understand the chapter. Now your homework is read chapter 10. It's time to leave. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Bye bye.